Now we drive our vehicles each and every day, and with that daily use, we end up with those unsightly stone chips and scratches on the paint surface. Now to fix those scratches, we're gonna use Dupli-Color ScratchFix All-in-1. And a lot of times we end up with some rust in those scratches as well if they're not addressed sooner than later. So what we're gonna do is clean out the scratch using the prep tip on the top, and then we're gonna clean the surface with our foaming prep cleaner. Once that's good and clean, we're gonna use our touch-up pen to touch up that paint surface and seal it off from the weather using the clear coat. Before we start this paint project, I need to ensure an exact color match. Now I went and found the color code of this vehicle found in the door jamb. It is 1G3. I looked it up on Dupli-Color.com. I found the exact color that we need here, magnetic gray. Now before we start this paint project, I wanna make sure the surface is good and clean. Now there's a lot of contaminants on the hood of this vehicle just from daily use, so I'm gonna use our foaming prep cleaner, give it a quick spray, we'll wipe it down. We'll let that dry, and then I'm going to use that abrasive fiberglass tip, start to clean out that rust, clean it once more, and then we'll start with the touch-up process. All right, so the abrasive tip is going to clean out the rust that's in this scratch right here. If we don't clean out the rust and seal it up, the rust is only going to continue to grow and get much worse. Clean it out once more. We'll let that dry. We're going to shake the pen for a few seconds, make sure the paint is good and mixed, because if the paint is not mixed, it's not going to match the paint that's on your vehicle. Now since this is just a small chip that we're working with, we don't need that pen tip. The pen tip is for much larger, fine scratches, but in this case, we're gonna use the brush. Pop the cap off, brush off that excess paint, and just dab on the fresh paint. All right, the color is good and dry. Let it dry for about 20 minutes. So the final step is applying the clear coat. Now what this is gonna do, it's going to help with that exact color match, and it's also going to seal it off from the elements. Whether your scratch is big or small, get that perfect color match repair with Dupli-Color. And visit Dupli-Color.com for more information about our products.